Let's consider the last of the three phases which we're going to look at in terms of the learner journey in aspect B, the quality of provision. This is assessment, and I think there are three elements of assessment that you should be able to talk about which will allow you to make statements about the quality of provision. You will have to be careful that you don't try to include too much in the terms of assessment which is actually going to be included in outcomes for learners. This is not necessarily about what grades are achieved, how many times people get distinctions and so forth. This is about the quality of the provision. This is about the experience of the learner from the learner's point of view. So the three areas that we want to consider are formative assessment, summative assessment, and the feedback processes which are in place. I'm not going to go into these in any detail at all really, because we've now gone through how to create a strength statement and how to create a statement for an area for improvement. But formative assessment is a vital factor in assessment for learning, for example. When we were looking at assessment for learning, we looked at that as one of the most powerful tools in terms of a good lesson. Summative assessment, obviously that's terribly important that it's timely and completed within the quality structures which must be applied. Feedback, perhaps the most powerful of them all. The feedback that you give the learners is where the assessment for learning will actually have its highest impact. This is what will drive engagement. This is what will drive people being able to apply their skills in a continually improving manner. So these must have an impact on the quality of the provision overall. Often an OTL statement will include commentary about assessment in terms of general assessment, formative assessment in the classroom, and obviously the red folders will include examples of summative assessment, so that may well have a comment in an OTL report. Your feedback processes will be commented on during the IV processes which your work will undergo as it goes through the quality system. We've completed all of the three sections now. If we look at those again, initial advice and guidance, teaching and learning, and assessment.